Hello everyone, this is Dr. Navneet Raj. Welcome to our YouTube channel Prepare NTA NET Exam Online Daily Classes. And today is class 4 and we have already done 60 questions of research aptitude. So let's start. Question number 61. The word research means. Your options are option A to get, option B to know, option C to move, option D to innovate. And the correct answer is to know. Before moving to the next question, I would like to appeal. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for our daily classes of UGC NTA NET exam, as we upload videos on our YouTube channel in evening at 6:45 PM daily. So stay tuned. So let's move to the next question. Question number 62. Scientific methods are used in. Your options are option A, social science researches, option B, only research projects in pure sciences, option C, both A and B, option D, neither A nor B. And the correct answer is both A and B. It means scientific methods are used in social science researches and only research project in pure sciences. So let's move to the next question. Question number 63. Which of the following is not a component of ethical research? And your options are option A consent, option B competence, option C voluntariness, option D suitability. Which of the following is not a component of ethical research? And the correct answer is option D, suitability. Let's move to the next question. Question number 64. Which of the following is a step of research design? Your options are option A, collecting date, option B, drawing inferences from the date, option C, defining the problem and formulating a hypothesis, option D, all of the above. And the correct answer is option D. Let's move to the next question. Question number 65. Social research can be divided into. Your options are A, 7 categories, option B, 2 categories, option C, 3 categories, option D, 4 categories. So social research can be divided into 4 categories. So correct answer is 4 categories, option D. Let's move to the next question. Question number 66. In order to study the relationship of a family size to income, a researcher classifies his population into different income slabs and then takes a random sample from each slab. Which technique of sampling has been adopted? Your options are A, cluster sampling, option B, systematic sampling, option C, random sampling, option D, stratified random sampling. And the correct answer is stratified random sampling. Let's move to the next question. Question number 67. Which of the following are essential for communicating a research work? And your options are A, command over language, option B, conclusions drawn, option C, procedure followed, and option D, all of the above. So all the above are essential for communicating a research work. It means you have to have command over language, you have to have conclusion drawn, and as well as procedure followed. Let's move to the next question. Question number 68. Which of the following process is not needed in experimental research? Your options are A, controlling, option B, observation, option C, reference collection, option D, manipulations. And the correct answer is reference collection is not needed in experimental research. So the correct answer is option C. Let's move to the next question. Question number 69. A research report is the representation of Your options are A, negative evidences, option B, positive evidences, option C, both A and B, and option D, none of the above. So a research report is the presentation of negative as well as positive evidences. So the correct answer is option C. Let's move to the next question. Question number 70. Which of the following is the key factor in determining the success of group research? Your options are A, organization, option B, people, option C, researcher, option D, creativity. And the correct answer is organization, option A. Let's move to the next question. Question number 71. Which of the following is the most eye-catching part of the research report? Option A, preface, option B, glossary of terms, option C, summary, option D, conclusion. So the correct answer is conclusion. Option D is the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. Question number 72. The logic of induction is very much related with. Your options are option A, the logic of observation, option B, the logic of sampling, option C, the logic of controlled variable, option D, none of the above. The logic of induction is very much related with the logic of sampling. So correct answer is option B. Let's move to the next question. Question number 73. What is the meaning of randomization? Your options are option A, each and every unit of the population has an equal chance of selection in the sample. Option B, the selection or non-selection of a unit of population does not affect the selection or non-selection of the other unit of the population in the sample. Option C, it is a method of selection which is free from subjective biases. The meaning of randomization. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Let's move to the next question. Question number 74. Which of the following is a suggested outline for report writing? Your options are option A, analytical material, option B, primary material, option C, prefatory material, option D, supplementary material. So prefatory material is a suggested outline for report writing. So the correct answer is option C, prefatory material. Let's move to the next question. Question number 75. Hypotheses relate generally or specifically. Your options are A, variables to variables, option B, constant to variables, option C, variables to constant, option D, constant to constant. And the correct answer is hypotheses relate generally or specifically variables to variables. The correct answer is option A. Let's move to the next question. Question number 76. Tippit table is, your options are a table of random digits, option B, used in statistical investigations, option C, used in sampling method, option D, all of the above. So the Tippit table is a table of random digits as well as used in a statistical investigation, and it is also used in sampling method. So the correct answer is option D, all of the above. Let's move to the next question. Question number 77. Which of the following completes the research process? And the options are A, preface writing, option B, summary writing, option C, report writing, option D, research note. So the correct answer is B, summary writing. Let's move to the next question. Question number 78. Research and development R&D has now become the index of development of country because options are option A, R&D reflect the true economic and social conditions prevailing in a country, option B, R&D targets the human development, option C, R&D can improve the standard of living of the people in a country, option D, all of the above. So the correct answer is option D, all of the above. R&D reflect the true economic and social conditions prevailing in a country. It is also targets the human development, and it can improve the standard of living of people in the country. Let's move to the next question. Question number 29. The problem and techniques can be classified broadly into, your options are game theory, option B network analysis, option C inventory control, option D all of these. So the problem and techniques can be classified broadly into game theory, network analysis, and inventory control. So correct answer is option D, all of these. Let's move to the next question. Question number 80, which is the last question of today. Which of the following are types of field studies? Options are option A hypothesis testing, option B exploratory testing, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. And the correct answer is hypothesis testing and exploratory testing. So correct option is answer is option C. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. Please subscribe the channel for the daily classes and latest updates.